Now the paint is dry, it's looking really quite good. So the next thing is to actually fit it onto the base. Just going to start to apply the glue just around the edges. I'm basically just trying to mimic what was there, sort of basically fold for fold as well as I possibly can. It's quite a tricky thing. I'm really sailing into the unknown with this. Great, so that's the Zephyr now stuck down. I'm really pleased with the way that looks. That is really representing the sea. But I'm really itching to see what this looks like and see whether it actually works. So I'm just gonna pop the boat on just temporarily. I'm gonna give it a little wind. Oops. That is a choppy old sea that boat is on. That's brilliant. I'm just incredible. I want it.